Hi, Don. My name's Christian with RenGen SEO. We are a family-owned digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence all on your own. So, contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are exclusive to you. So, you're not playing the game of whoever gave Zillow the most money this month gets the best leads, or competing with multiple agents for the same leads. The leads are yours because it's your site. So as long as you build it the right way, it will work for you. Now, I have your Facebook page pulled up here. Looks like you saw our Facebook ad, so I'm hoping that I can bring you as much value as I can in this short video, and I want to thank you for watching our video and filling out the form. And so at first glance, I see Don Silverberg here, but I don't know you're a realtor. And so if I don't know if you're a realtor, then there's a good chance that nobody else knows you're a realtor. So my biggest suggestion, especially with Facebook alone, is after your name, putting realtor. Or underneath your name, putting a slogan like, hey, I'm a realtor, give me a call, or, buying homes now in your area, we're the best ones around. Something like that in quotations, some kind of slogan that you came up with underneath your name, or definitely hyphen. That way when they're searching through, they'll see Don Silverberg Realtor, and they'll know, hey, he's a realtor. Oh, hey, where's he at? And then also you can put it down in your intro. You can put broker, you can put whatever you want. But definitely on Facebook especially, you're going to want to let people know you're a realtor as easy as possible. So a lot of people don't want to dig really deep. They want face value, easy stuff. And so first thing we're going to talk about is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Cumming, Georgia Realtors. We got Keller Williams Realty, Better Homes, Mickey Hyams. Okay? This is really where you want to be. If not here, you want to be on the first page of the Google My Business. But I'd like to show you down here, this is what we like to call the organic search. And as you can see, I saw one, Harry Norman. So harrynorman.com. He's actually beating out Century 21. He's beating out Remax. He's beating out HomeLight. That's because he built his website in the proper way with good content and backlinks. So keep that in mind, that a website can actually beat out your competition, the big dogs, if it's done the right way. So this is a prime example of that. So Harry's doing the right thing. And that's what we like to call organic search through websites. That's where your website would ideally go. And then as you can see down here in the first page, so even though Harry Norman isn't on this first page of the GMB, oh, he's in the first page right here. So either way, I didn't see that you had a Google My Business page. You're going to want to get one, okay? So whether you're a realtor or broker, you can get one, okay? We got Patrick Bell Realtor, Michelle S. Hickman, Keller Williams Realty. We got Melissa Morgan. So you can have one, okay? So I would highly suggest getting one. And this is where you want to be, and you're going to want to get some citations with it. Now, this is what it's going to look like. I used Amanda Staines, Realtor, Century 21 results for the purposes of this video. Now, Amanda has 12 reviews with a 5-star. We recommend 25 reviews minimum. So she has 12. Obviously, if you have 13, you're going to beat her. But we recommend 25. So once you get your Google My Business page, we're going to shoot for 25 reviews. And then obviously once you get there, you're going to keep pushing forward from there. Your address, your hours, you're located, service options, phone number, you link your website. The other thing I'd like to point out is photos. So a lot of people don't recognize the fact that search engines actually read how your photos are saved on the back end. So a lot of times when we upload photos, the computer will generate a file name that we don't specify. And normally it's like random letters and numbers, or pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. So you're going to want to have, first of all, on your Google My Business page, 10 photos minimum. So it looks like Amanda has well over 10. The question is, are they saved the right way? So you're going to want to delete the mumbo jumbo the computer created, the pick one, the pick two, and you're going to want to put good content that's going to bring value to your area, that's going to help you rank your Google My Business page. So keep that in mind. 10 photos, saved the right way, do your homework, 25 reviews with some citations, and you will be well on your way to becoming on this first page and potentially in the top 3 positions in your area. So definitely recommend getting a Google My Business page. Now, based on what you put in the form, it looks like your website is homesnorthofatlanta.com. And then also what I found was donsilverbergrealestate.com. So it looks like you have 2 websites, but based on what you put into our system, Homes North of Atlanta is the one that you are kind of leaning more towards, and it looks like you definitely came up with a good name. So Homes North of Atlanta is a pretty good website URL. So the real question is, how many phone calls are you getting from this site? How many people are finding this site on their own organically and calling you through it? Only you know the answer to that question. Now, a couple things I noticed. Content. You have very little content. Okay, so Google loves content. Content is king. We recommend having 1,500 words minimum on your website. So this is your main page, per page actually, in fact. So this is your main page, and I would say maybe less than 300 words total. So again, we recommend 1,500 minimum. Also, your photos. So especially in real estate with the IDX feed and with all the listing photos, how you save your photos matters so very much. So again, 1,500 words minimum, and save those photos with good content. Don't leave it XYZ. Don't leave it pick 1, pick 2, pick 3. Save it with good content. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. So anywhere that homesnorthofatlanta.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. So based on this tool we use called Ahrefs, it looks like you have 4 backlinks from 3 referring domains. You're not ranking for any keywords. You're not getting any organic traffic, and your domain rating is a 0, and that's a 0 out of 100. So these are numbers that we'd like to see rise. This domain rating, again, is out of 100. This is similar to your power. So I'm willing to bet, based on the information I'm seeing here, that you're not getting any phone calls from this website unless somebody finds your business card, goes on your website specifically, and finds it that way, which at that point, you're the one who gave them the website, not they didn't find it online. So keep in mind, when you get your backlinks, you want your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant to the real estate business and aren't spammy. So not all backlinks are created equal. What you don't want to do is go putting hundreds and hundreds of backlinks that are coming from irrelevant sites that are spammy. Not going to do you any good. You want powerful sites that are relevant and not spammy. So keep that in mind. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your life, to bring you some more leads and money and more freedom. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.